everybody, back in the kitchen, and I am coming to you with M for Mexico. We're doing our around the world vegan eggs with Gloria, and right now we're going to Mexico. It's one of the 5 most popular types of cuisines around the world. Coming up is Cinco de Mayo, so I wanted to show you a classic take of a burrito, but a breakfast version. I was inspired years ago by one of my favorite videos of all time called Taco Time.
Before we take the whole thing and wrap that in Chicago-style deep dish meat lovers pizza. Pizza?
Now that's what I call a taco.
Well, it's not a Taco Town taco until we roll it up in a blueberry pancake, dip it in batter, and deep fry it until it's golden brown. Then we serve it all in a commemorative tote bag filled with spicy vegetarian chili.
So it's a take on doing something big and bold and Tex-Mexy. So let's get to the kitchen. So I'm gonna work backwards here. I'm gonna show you all my burrito fillings. I have some rice here. This is brown rice mixed in with some cilantro. Some people call it coriander, but it's cilantro. Here I have some Mexican cheese. You can learn this in our online or in-person cheese course. These are just some basic greens that you saw from my garden. Come into my garden because we're going to get some greens. Now I'm going to get some greens for my burrito filling. Over here, refried beans. Now you can use any type of beans. In here, I actually have white beans. You can use pinto beans, black beans, whatever you like. And you can learn how to make specific type of bean flavoring for pork, which is really common in Mexico, or you can buy this off-the-rack stuff called burrito seasoning, your choice. Now I love a lot of heat and a lot of smokiness, so I have some smoked paprika. A really typical spice of Mexico is cumin, so I put a little bit more of that in just to kick that up a notch. Of course, my nickname is the Spicy Chica, so nothing spicy in Mexico will be complete without some jalapenos. We can only get them pickled here, but if you can, use some fresh ones. And here's some pico de gallo, which is some fresh tomato salsa, more cilantro. This is also a sour cream. Now, the basis of this is going to be, of course, our vegan eggs. Oh, and excuse me, folks, this is a vegan sour cream. Gloria is our not egg vegan mix. It comes in a dry pack in a powder, and you can just get it anywhere around the world. It's only €5, so you have no reason not to try it. Try it, you'll love it. It comes in a pack, and you just have to hydrate it with water or even a plant milk if you want to make it extra creamy. This product is way better than just egg, as well as Follow Your Heart eggs, because it's much easier to use, it's also lower cost, and it tastes more like real egg. Here at the Academy, we talk a lot about flavor layering. So Gloria comes with just a basic, very underlying flavor profile of eggs. But a way to make this even sassier and more Mexicana, Mexico-like, is to put these flavors directly into your eggs. That way you're going to have these flavors throughout your burrito, and it's going to be more of an explosion in your mouth. There's nothing wrong with making these burritos any way you like, but I like them super cheesy, so I'm putting that straight onto my Gloria product, not egg. This is just like going to your favorite burrito place. And you stand there, like whether it's Chipotle, you're putting in all your fixings, getting as much as you can, shoving it in there. The bigger the better. So there we go. We have our big old Mexican mango burrito with Gloria, our not egg product. I'm sure those guys over at Taco Town know if they see this, they have nothing on me. And don't forget, you can buy Gloria online and get it shipped to you anywhere around the world.